Welcome back, everybody. It's Cosmo, and this is Will We Make It? Today we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency. Basically, I'm going to go into it and without all the technical jargon, and I'm just going to explain it to you in the simplest terms possible. And I'm going to use it in the form of, wait for it, credit cards. So, when it comes to cryptocurrency is not any form of paper tender. You cannot walk around with cryptocurrency. I guess you could if you had your phone, because you can still pay with your phone. But it's not any tangible piece of tender. It's not money. It is a digital asset that is basically online. Bitcoin runs on Ethereum, Decentraland, Mana, Decentraland, Mars. I mean, there's thousands of them out there, but just to name quite a few, there's, Sandbox, Decentraland, Decentraland, Mars. These run on the Ethereum network. That is the largest blockchain network, basically Visa. And then you have other projects like Terra Luna, which is Discover Card. They have their own stable coins that run on there. Now, stable coins are coins that don't fluctuate. They stay at a stable level. But that's not to say that you can't make money on stable coins. They're more secure. And that's basically what the government is looking at right now is stable coins. They are looking to convert the US dollar into a stable coin to basically compete with Bitcoin and other projects in the crypto universe. So another project or credit card is American Express, and that would be Cardano. And we can go and look here. The coins that are on Cardano are listed right down here. Chainlink, these are all different coins that run off the Cardano network. So they're all good projects. I actually own some Cardano. It has consistently gone down. I'm not going to lie. But the utility for this project is so good. It's when, take for example, back in the video game world, let's say for instance, you had a Nintendo and your buddy had a Sega Genesis. Well, the Sega Genesis was a superior system. It had better graphics, it had faster processor than your older Nintendo when it came out, but more people owned Nintendo, even though it was a slower machine. Now, for reasons it was just more catered towards kids and more kids were playing. So that's basically the same way with crypto. Everybody knows about Bitcoin. Everybody knows about Ethereum. So more people are involved in that project, even though Cardano and Solana, which is another protocol coin, are more efficient and faster. People don't know about it as much as Ethereum. So this is where you kind of wonder where to go as far as what blockchain is going to go and which network is going to be the best. There will always be Visa, which is the Ethereum network, and they are actually coming out with Ethereum 2.0, which is going to compete with Cardano and compete with Solana. So that is basically going to change the game, and that's when I think the crypto is really going to take off. So today I'm going to be talking about Gemini. Now, Gemini is a crypto app, and you can also do it online, but it's mainly for an app, and that basically allows you to buy and sell crypto. And the thing I like about Gemini is they have certain cryptos that are not available on other crypto exchanges. So right now, if you sign up for Gemini, they'll give you $10 in extra Bitcoin just for signing up and trading over $100. So Let's go to my Gemini account. What I like about Gemini is right here, Sandbox and Decentraland. I've spoke about this before. These are Metaverse tokens. Both of these are online games, and these are basically the coins that run in those games. Now, for example, let's take Sandbox. Now, if you invested in Sandbox a year ago, it was trading, a year ago, it was 62 cents a year ago. Now, it has gone up over 338% just in a year. That's bigger than any market, any stock, any type of ETF or bond or anything that you can imagine. So if you've taken $50 or $20, you would have increased your investment 338% just in 1 year. That's why it's such the potential of earning money within the crypto universe is so huge. Now, again, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, but for me, the potential is there. Let's look at another one. Coinbase. Coinbase is a great way to start off your crypto journey. It is pretty much the beginning app to start off with crypto. The reason being is right now, if you sign up through my link down below, you can get $10 in free Bitcoin if you trade $10 or more. But in addition to that, you can actually earn free crypto just by completing some small little tests and little skills. They're real easy, and they take like 2 minutes, and they'll give you $4 to $5 of one crypto, and there's really like 5 or 6 different quizzes, and they only take about 2 minutes a piece, and they give you $4 or $5 each in crypto, and you can keep that specific crypto that they're quizzing you on, or you can trade it in for what you want, like Ethereum or Bitcoin or any other project that you feel good about. So really, with my link and signing up through Coinbase, you can end up with $30 starting out just by trading $100 or more. And even if you don't trade that $100 or more, just by depositing $10, you can start these quizzes and help build your crypto journey just by taking these little lessons. And it's a great way to learn about crypto and get started, and you can see how the app works, and it's real simple and straightforward. And it comes with a digital wallet where you can store your crypto. But if you want my personal opinion, I wouldn't do it because it costs money to transfer your coins from the app to your wallet. And it's just, if you don't have a whole ton much of crypto, it is not worth it. Not worth it at all. So just keep your crypto on the app. It's protected through the app. You don't need any enhanced protection unless you have a real large amount. So, and even then, it's still more protected on the app than probably on your wallet anyway. So, I have no use for a wallet at this time. Now, of course, you will need a wallet if you want to buy NFTs and different things like that and expand your crypto, portfolio. You'll need to take advantage of a wallet. But if you're just starting out like me, you don't need to get involved with a wallet because you're going to end up paying money for transaction fees. Let's go look at Decentraland. So let's go to the year chart. Now, if you had invested in, it was 97 cents a year ago today, you would have increased to 132% just by investing in Decentraland a year ago. So again, the potential is there. That's why I am so bullish and so all in on certain one of these tokens. Now, there are 1,000 different tokens out there, and a lot of them end up going to zero and losing money. So you really have to do your own research, look at the utility, look at what these are used for. As I said, these are actually have good utility. They have online games. And let's go to their website, and this is basically their game. And you can join in and create your own character, and you can buy items in the game, and it's basically a virtual world, and millions of people are playing this game. So this is only going to get bigger, and they're improving it at a rapid pace. It's a great way to get involved and start early. It's at a great price. So that's why I'm all in on Decentraland. Another one is Sandbox. Let's take a look at Sandbox. And here is Sandbox. Same thing. It's more of a like Mind Quest type game. I mean, look at that. I mean, that millions of people, thousands of people are playing this game. And Snoop Dogg has property in here. And they're going to be doing live concerts. People are building shops. I mean, the possibilities are just endless. So, I'm not necessarily into the game itself, but the idea behind it and the company behind it is really strong. So, I'm getting in now because I think years from now, this is going to be the next Minecraft, the next Fortnite. I mean, whatever you want to call it, I think it's going to be the next big thing. So if you get in now, you're going to be looking real pretty. I mean, this is pretty much Bitcoin back in 2017. Let's go over the chart. This is Bitcoin back in 2017, basically. 2017, 3,970%. That's how I feel about Sandbox and Decentraland Mana. I mean, this is what you're basically looking at what Bitcoin was back in 2017 when it was only $963.72, and it's gone all the way up to $39,228. I mean, even that's not even the high. I mean, can you imagine the high it's been is 61. I mean, that's 6,285%. Insane amount of increase within that span. So that's why I'm getting in now. I'm gonna dollar cost average in. As you can see with my Gemini account, I'm slowly putting in. I'm putting in $5 every 2 weeks. And I'm just going to let it grow. And I'm going to continue to dollar cost average in. And if these two projects blow up, I'm going to be right there when they do. NFTs, if I can show you here, are digital pictures. Snoop Dogg has his own NFTs. And they cost... I mean, their cost is 0.4052 Ethereum, which comes out to probably $1,000 just for this picture. And that's not it. You have to pay gas fees to basically purchase this item. And gas fees change depending on how bogged down the system is. And currently, right now, it's 89 GUI, which GUI is just another term for gas. And 89 GUI comes out to probably about $180. So that is $180 just in transaction fees just to purchase a $1,500 digital picture. So it is insane what's going on in the NFT market right now. People are basically buying NFTs just to flip them and making big money at doing it. But, you know, for people like me and I'm 90% of the other people in the world, I don't have, you know, $2,000 to dump on a digital picture. So, at least not yet. So that's just a quick rundown on NFTs. I can go into depth on NFTs on another video if I feel it's relevant. But right now, I'm just focusing on crypto, and so that's basically the whole deal, really. In plain terms, you got your Ethereum network, which is your Visa, and or if you want to say it's American Express because it's the highest, but whichever. And basically, Bitcoin runs on the Ethereum network, Decentraland runs on the Ethereum network, Sandbox runs on the Ethereum network, and then you've got Cardano, which has other coins that run on its network, and they are not compatible. So there's different types. That's your Discover card or Diners Club, whichever you want to do, but basically that's, in plain terms, that's kind of how it is. They're digital assets, and it is a great way to basically build your income. It is still very new. Everybody talks about how cryptocurrency is reaching its peak. There is so much longer way to go. And there are so many new projects coming out. It is just crazy. So, like I said, do your own research. Stay with this channel. See what I'm picking. And we can see if, we can come out ahead of this thing. Because I'm looking forward to it. And the future is bright when it comes to the crypto world. It's a great way to build your wealth. And you don't have to risk a chunk of money, just, $5 here, $10 there, the price of two monsters, and you're well on your way to securing your financial future. So that's what I got for crypto, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little bit, and follow me along and see how we do. Again, hit that subscribe button, that like button, share this to your friends if they're interested in trying to, see what's going on in the market, in the crypto world. They can follow along and see if will we make it.